welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you can mine faster and some certain tasks you just need to complete so that you could be way above those who may not really these particular things exist. And not that alone, in the video, if you're able to watch it to the very end, I'll be sharing with you how you could actually what you need to know to actually unlock your app. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to actually start mining, I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video and also in the comment section. And I'll also be dropping my referral link if you haven't started mining so that you could start mining next app. So I started mining this particular Pi today, and you could see in the previous video I said something that it is already in ratio one, meaning if we have one wrap pi, is still the same thing as having one pi. So you could see I was able to have 15 pi despite I started today and the mining is still counting. So let me share with you how I was able to do that. The first thing I did was that you have to come to this particular task section here. A lot of people might not know that there's a task for them to complete. So they are just very simple tasks that you just need to actually complete. Join their Discord server boost. This was the only one I never did. Join their community. You actually need to join this their community on Telegram and X so that you could actually get premium information on how on how the project is actually going. And that was what I was able to do, which gave me this particular 15 wrap pie. And also you can come here to the top 100 to see those that are top 100 in this ecosystem. And here you could see this guy are actually the Nigerians in dollars and influencers in the crypto space. Like so those vindicated, yes. And also this guy, I know this guys very well. You see this four guy, that is Maskey, is actually making 104.55 rap per day. So I don't know the reason why you wouldn't be actually be mining this particular token, because a lot of people are actually mining it at this particular time. So it's better you see this particular opportunity now before it is too late. So these are just the top 100, and when you come to this particular aspect, which is the P2P, I believe here we'll be able to exchange the particular wrap pi to pi or any other token. You could see currently now is still under development. You could see the minimum you can swap is 5 wrap pi. You could see now they have built it on Tone, Solana, BNB, and the likes like that. So when you come to this particular aspect called wallet, let me share with you how you can collect your Tone. So if you want to connect your Tone wallet, you just have to tap on it. You tap on Tone, you let it load, then you tap on connect. Yes, you could see my wallet now is now connected. Yes, so that is that. So let me share with you how you'll be able to unlock, which is the third thing. So directly from the Rappi team on their X account, because currently you could see that everything that we are mining is actually going into lock, meaning you cannot actually sell. It is currently still locked. So let me show you how you'll be able to unlock demands you need to meet up with. So you could see from their X account here, I'm actually reading from this particular place that we prioritize the pioneer who have built during the early launch of the network. During the early launch of the network, Rappi Miner will unlock the first batch of the token in the first 100 days. It will be unlocked in the first. There's nothing you can do to be unlocked in the first 100 days countdown from the day you start participating in the RAP network. So I started today, and as you can see, mine now I'm having 98 days more to go, which is around 3 months now. Yes, 3 months plus now to go. So that is how you'll be able to unlock. So anybody that is the earlier you start, the faster you'll be able to unlock. So these are the things I just wish you need to know. Another way you could earn more pi is by referring other, because if you're able to refer a friend, you'll be able to make 0.05 referrals, and you can copy your referral link. If you have anything you want me to share about this Rappi, please kindly drop it in the description of this particular video, and don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.